So good day everyone. For this video, we will try to answer this practice problem. We will be finding the value of the currents I1, I2, and I3, and also for the voltage V1, V2, and V3. So the first step is to do the Ohm's law. By Ohm's law, we have V1 is equal to the current passing through the 2 ohm resistor times the value of the resistor. So IR, I1 times 2. So that is equals to 2I for V1. And for V2, we have from the diagram I2 times the resistance 8. Tama? So 8I2. Do not forget the subscript. Kaya mo na siya ang indication na same sila path. So for V3, naatay current passing through I3 and 4 ohms. So V3 is equal to 4 times I3. And after that, you should do a KCL at this node. Let's name that node as A. So by KCL at node A. Diba KCL nag-state nga summation of current entering at a node is equal lang sa current I leaving at that node. So, kinsa ang nag-enter? Si I1. And ang nag-leave, duha ka buok, si I2 and si I3. So, I1 is equal to I2 plus I3. And let's equate this to 0. Mahimo siyang I1 minus I2 minus I3 is equal to 0. So that's our equation number 1. Again, we have 3 unknowns, right? V1, V2, and V3, or I1, I2, and I3. So dapat naapud tay 3 ka unknown equation na mabuhat. And after that, we have equation 1. We need to find the 2 other equation. How? By using KVL. By assigning a loop. KVL in each loop. So, kani loop, let's name that as loop 1. And this one is for loop 2. And by KVL at loop 1, si KVL positive entering, clockwise entering di clockwise entering. So si loop 1 na to, si KVL is nag-enter sa negative polarity of 10. So minus 10, negative 10. Then ang KVL to diri is nag-enter pod sa positive polarity ni 2 ohm resistor, and after that, pag KVL na pod is nagsulod sa positive polarity ni 8 ohms. So natay plus V1 and plus V2. V1 plus V2 is equal to 0. And from our Ohm's law, diba, si V1 and V2 is equal kang dara. V1 is equal to 2I. So negative 10 plus 2I1 plus the V2 na 8I2. 8I2 is equal to 0. And to simplify, we have 2I1 plus 8I2 is equal to 10. And pwede tayo makadivide og 2. Para ma-simplify, we have I1 plus 8 divided by 2 is 4. I2 is equal to 10 divided by 2 is 5. So we have now our equation number 2. So isa na lang. So asa to pangitaon si other equation by using again KVL at the loop number 2, which is kani. So by KVL, let's allow me to write this one. By KVL at loop 2 clockwise entering. So atong KVL 2 diri is nag-enter sa negative polarity of V2. So minus V2. And then nag-enter si KVL nato sa positive polarity ni V3 and negative polarity ni 6 volts. So natay plus V3 minus 6 plus V3 minus 6 is equal to 0. Again, from our Ohm's law ganiha, we have the value of V2 and V3 to be 8I2 and 4I3. So negative 8I2 plus 4I3 minus 6 is equal to 0. And we can further simplify this by transposing negative 8I2 plus 4I3 is equal to transpose 6 and common si 2. So we can divide both sides by 2. So distribute negative 8 divided by 2 is negative 4I2 plus 4 divided by 2 is 2I3 is equal to 3. So that is our equation number 3. So finally, we have completed the three unknown equation I mean. So proceed na ta sa ato ang algebra. Humana ang electrical engineering part. So allow me to copy, paste kani pong equation 2, copy and paste. Equation 3, copy, paste. So muna itong equation 1, equation 2, and equation number 3. So we can apply many methods, but for this video let us try to do the substitution and elimination method. Since our equation number 3 is in terms of I2 and I3, I can manipulate to substitute the value I3 to the equation number 1 para kay ma-add diretso sa equation number 2. Sige, to show that, simplify ito sa equation 3, i-isolate si I3. So we have 2I3, sige, from equation number 3. So we have 2I3 is equal to 3, transpose na to ni, may mo siyang plus 4I2. And divide 2 para ma-isolate si I3, we have I3 is equal to 3 over 4I2 all over 2. And this one, i-plug in na to siya to equation number 1. So equation number 1 is I1 excuse me, I1 minus I2 minus the new I3 nga plug in from equation 3 is 3 plus 4I2 all over 2 is equal to 0 from equation number 1 na. So to get rid of the fraction, I can multiply both sides by 2. So natay 2I1 minus 2I2 minus, distribute the negative, minus 3 minus 4I2 is equal to 0. So, combine like terms. So, 2i1 negative 2i2 minus negative 4i2 is equal to negative 6i2 is equal to transose 3 to 3. So, let's call this our equation number 4, new equation 4. New equation. Different siya sa 3 unknowns ginihan, new equation siya. Kay kani is in terms of I1 and I2. And from our equation number 2, pwede na to siya ma-eliminate. Kay na variable pod na I1 and I2. So from equation number 2, eliminate na to siya using new equation number 4. Sige, copy na to si equation number 2. Sige. By elimination method, i-eliminate na to si I1. Si I1 kani. Paano? We can multiply this one by 2 para ma-subtract. So, multiply na to ni by 2. So, mahimo siyang 2I1 plus 2 times 4 is 8I2 is equal to 2 times 5 is 10. And then, eliminate na to ning new equation I1 minus 6I2 is equal to 3 by subtracting both equation. 2I1 minus 2I1 is cancel, 0. 8I2 minus negative 6I2 is equal to positive 14 I2 is equal to 10 minus 3 is 7. And divide both sides 14 to isolate I2. We have I2 to be equal to 7 over 14 or 1/2. And since current ni si I2, unit is ampere. So, nanatay I2. So, pangitaan na to si I1 and si I3. Pili lang bisan asang equation. Sige, from Dre. Nasa gini, equation number 2, di ba na? From equation number 2, we have equation number 2 as I1 plus 4I2 is equal to 5. So, plug in mo ni si I2. We have I1 plus 4 times I2 na 1/2 is equal to 5. So, I1 is equal to 5. Kani, cancel, may mong 2. So, 5 minus 2. So, I1 is equal to 3 amperes. And, nanatay I2 and I1. So, paano makuha si I3? I3 from equation dire. Pwede na ito ni gamiton para makuha sa I3. Na naman tayo I2. So, copy. Solve for I3. So, negative 4. I2 na to is equal to 1/2 plus 2I3 is equal to 3. So, cancel. 2 ang bilin. So, 2I3 is equal to 3. So, kani 2. So, transpose plus 2. So, 2I3 is equal to 5. Isolate I3, we have I3 to be equal to 5/2 ampere or equal to 2.5 ampere. So, nakuha ito si currents I1, current I2, and current I3. And now, from our Ohm's law, ganiha, which is dara. So, masolve na ito si V1, V2, and V3. Ganiha, I1 is equal to 3. So, 2 times 3 is equals to 6 unit voltage. V2 is equal to 8 times I2 na 1/2. That is equal to 4 volts. V3 is equal to 4 times I3 na 2.5. That would give us 4 times 2.5 is equal to 10 volts. So, ano lang, basic.